offshore low-touch energy robotics and autonomous systems, OLTER, enabling next-generation robotics and autonomous systems. Robotics, artificial intelligence and autonomous systems are revolutionising offshore energy inspection and maintenance. They have the potential to improve safety, reduce cost and carbon footprint, and provide greater resilience to exogenous shocks such as a pandemic. The OLTER project will accelerate the deployment and commercialisation of robotics and autonomous technologies within the energy sector. Industry field trials in air, land and sea will support the development of best practice to inform industry standards and allow the deployment of reliable, on-demand, standardised autonomous systems to support the energy transition. Placing technology at the forefront of operations, OLTER will deliver the competencies necessary to engage, anchor and utilise a robotics and autonomous systems supply chain to support the offshore energy industry to scale and commercialise robotics as a service. A landscape study has identified the critical gaps in standards and technology which are currently limiting offshore energy robotics and autonomous systems adoption. A business case is being developed for the provision of a Robotics and Autonomous Systems Industrial Test and Certification Centre, which is believed to mitigate those barriers to adoption. Beyond visual line of sight, demonstrators have shown the art of the possible by using commercial drones to autonomously deliver critical payloads across onshore sites. Further demonstrations for air, land and sea-based robotics will take place in 2023 in an offshore environment. OLTER will deliver the vision to unlock the potential of robotics for safe, efficient offshore operations by developing a roadmap, connecting stakeholders and expertise, and facilitating the development of industry standards.